prior to starting up either one of these pressure washers, and it's a good rule of thumb for any small motors. The first thing you want to check is to make sure that there are no obstructions in front of or near the muffler. Both of these machines obviously are set up to where the mufflers, the mufflers send the exhaust out the back of the truck, and it does get warm in here when they're both running. Anything that is plastic, anything that's flammable, pretty much nothing needs to be near or in front of these mufflers. If this jug were to sit in front of this muffler for any length of time while this machine is running, 5-10 minutes, it's going to be melted. It's going to ruin the chemicals that are inside it and probably spill them all over the box truck floor. Not a good thing. The second thing you want to check and make sure of is that our valve for the water exiting the tote in the storage tank is open, and then you want to check the oil in the machines. Obviously you have to have fuel in them to run them, but the fuel will have already been checked before we arrive to the job. So I'm going to show you what I mean by the valve in the storage tank. That yellow handle needs to be open, which it is in the open position right now. Pretty much always stays open. Occasionally it will be closed though, so you always need to visually inspect that, make sure it's open. If it is in this position, that is closed. You want to come in here, make sure it's open prior to starting up either machine. To check the oil, to come to the machine, there's a dipstick there, oil fill cap is there. The other machine is the same motor, so both items are in the same locations. Oil fill cap, dipstick. To check the oil, we're going to pull the dipstick out. You always want to pull it out, inspect it, make sure that there is no trash or anything other than oil on it. You want to wipe it clean. And you want to reinsert it back into the tube. Push it all the way in, pull it right back out. This is going to be your true oil level. As you can see, there's oil all the way up to the circle, showing that it is pretty much at max level. Once you've determined that the oil is good, you want to wipe it clean again, reinsert it back into the tube. And that is that's your machine startup checklist.